First, wake up between 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. Next, drink a glass of water. Then step outside and get some sunlight. Now fuel up yourself with a high-protein breakfast. And don't forget to meditate. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing can calm your mind and prepare you for the day ahead. After your morning rituals, it's time for a quick workout. Then dive into deep, concentrated work. Now refuel with a lunch that's rich in protein and low in carbs. After eating, step outside for some fresh air. Reconnect with friends or family because social connections are key to your mental health. Then engage in a creative activity and recharge your brain. Keep your dinner protein-packed, but make sure it is light. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed. Instead, grab a book and read for a bit. Before going to bed, take 5 minutes to reflect on your day. What went well? What could be better? Set your goals for tomorrow. This simple practice keeps you focused and motivated. Finally, aim to sleep between 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. A consistent sleep schedule is the foundation of self-improvement.